A new battlefront has just opened up in the fight for fair elections. And the weapon? Well, it's invisible, it's digital, and it's incredibly powerful. The Election Commission of India has officially sounded the alarm on what they see as a major threat to democracy itself.
And look, they are not mincing words here. That phrase, a deep threat to democracy, those are their exact words when talking about the misuse of AI in political campaigns. That is some seriously strong language coming from the EC. So, what has them so concerned?
Well, this isn't some abstract problem for the future. No, this is happening right now, and the warning is aimed squarely at the upcoming assembly elections in one of India's most politically important states.
So here's the deal. The ECS has put every single political party on notice. With the huge Bihar elections just around the corner, they've sent out a very stern advisory, basically a warning against using AI-based tools for misinformation. You can think of it as a preemptive strike, trying to protect the vote before the campaigns really kick into high gear.
And this timeline really shows you just how urgent this is. The advisory dropped late in October, just a few weeks before polling starts in early November. With the final vote count on November 14th, the window to misuse this technology is, well, it's right now. The clock is absolutely ticking.
Okay, so with the election breathing down our necks, let's unpack that phrase, right? Deep threat. What is the actual danger here that has the Election Commission so worried about the future of a fair election?
It's a totally fair question. I mean, we're surrounded by tech all day, every day. So what is it about this kind of AI-generated content that makes it such a unique and, frankly, a potent danger to the whole democratic process?
Well, the EC laid it out pretty clearly. This stuff can twist facts to manipulate voters. And it's so good, so convincing, that it can masquerade as truth. When that happens, it just poisons the entire public conversation, it ruins any chance of a level playing field, and maybe worst of all, it just shatters the public trust that any election depends on to function.
Now, to really get a handle on this, we need to talk about the technology itself. The EC keeps using this term synthetic content, and trust me, it's a phrase you're going to be hearing a lot more in the coming years.
So, what is it? Put simply, synthetic content. You might know it as deepfakes, is any media generated by AI. The best way to think about it is like digital puppetry. An AI analyzes thousands of images, videos, and voice recordings of a person. Then it uses all that data to create a brand new video of them saying or doing literally anything you want. It's not just clever editing, it's creating a fake reality from scratch. So imagine a video popping up of a candidate promising something they've always fought against. That's the power and the danger we're talking about. And this right here, this comparison really nails the core of the problem. Authentic media, real journalism and real footage, it's based on things we can check. It builds public trust. Synthetic media does the exact opposite. It creates a false reality that completely shatters that trust. It is a direct attack on the entire foundation of a fair election.
So, faced with this kind of threat, the Election Commission isn't just, sending out a polite letter. They are taking a powerful, constitutionally backed stand to protect this election. And this is a really key point. This advisory isn't a suggestion. It's not a friendly request. It's a directive. The Commission is flexing its constitutional muscle here, making it crystal clear that it has the power and the intention to keep these polls fair. So where does that power come from? It all stems from Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. This gives the EC the full authority to oversee and control elections. By bringing this article into play, which, by the way, has been the bedrock of India's fair elections for decades, they're sending a very clear signal. Mess with this, and you're committing a serious breach of electoral law.
So what are the EC's marching orders for the political parties? Well, they're pretty simple and direct. Number 1, uphold fairness. Basically, play by the rules. Number 2, no misusing tech. Don't use AI to spread lies. And number 3, maintain transparency. Be straight with voters. It's really a call for a whole new ethical code for politics in the digital age.
Okay, so as we start to wrap up, it is so important to see that this whole story is about way more than just one election in one state. It's really about the future of how we conduct democracy in the age of AI.
So why does this matter to you, to all of us? Because what's happening in Bihar right now is basically a test case for elections all over the world. The challenge for all of us is to figure out how to make sure technology serves democracy instead of undermining it. We have to build guardrails to stop it from being turned into a weapon.
And that really leaves us with this one final massive question. Technology is moving forward at a dizzying pace, creating tools that can literally reshape what we think of as reality. The question is, can our laws, our rules, and just our shared sense of right and wrong, can they possibly move fast enough to keep up? The answer to that is going to define the health of our democracies for a long, long time to come.